Abel, we need to talk about that woman.
You mean the nice lady?
Look, is it just me or does she not have a hello?
Huh? Now that you mention it, I don't see one.
You know what that means.
You don't think she's a...
demon?
It can't be. She's way too nice for that. I bet she just lost hers.
Can that even happen?
Come on, I got an idea. Glow sticks. Ta-da! For me?
Of course! You didn't want to go into town without one, right? That's why you've been out here all alone.
I suppose you could put it that way. I haven't been to town in a long time.
Well, in that case, why don't you come with us? Come on! I have to show you all the new places.